Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today from Dotty Designs I have this wonderful Christmas collection. If you're not familiar with what Dotty Designs does, these are wonderful diamond painted cards. Little jewels individually placed on these beautiful cards. They glitter and they have texture and they're really fun to do. Each one is a complete kit. I can't wait to show you how to do this, so come play with us. All right, this first kit is Christmas letters. And then this one is adorable. This one is birds in a pendant. I'll show you what this one looks like. Look at that with all of that dimension and shine. And I added a little greeting there, and I'll tell you about that in a few minutes. And then we've got beautiful Christmas candles. This one, love the colors here. And look at that, that ribbon is so colorful and fun. And then we've got poinsettias, which I showed you in the opening. It's so pretty. We've also got this wonderful little Christmas, actually this one is winter landscape. So this one could take you right into January. And then this one is Christmas window. So I'm going to show you how these kits work. They are phenomenal. They're portable. They're really easy to do. So let's take this apart. Everything you need is here. You do not need glue. You do not need scissors. It comes with an envelope. It comes with the tools. There we go. It's very well packaged. All right, and then we've got all of these little beads or jewels or gemstones actually, and they're flat backed. If I can figure out where to open them. Okay, here we go. All right, look at all these colors. Okay, so each one of these little packets is labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on, all right? And then they're perforated, so you can just pull them apart very carefully because you don't want to rip into them because then the beads will go everywhere. All right, and then you've got your little tray, so then you then just open this like that. I love, you don't need scissors or anything, it's great. There we go, and you just pour these in. And then we've even got little extra baggies so that if you have extra beads or you need to stop before you're finished, you can pour them in here so that they aren't in a bag that has an opening or they're loose. And then we've got this little wax. It's like a sandwich. It's got plastic on both sides so it's not going to get all over you. You peel off a little bit of that plastic right there. And then this is a little hollow tip. It's an applicator. And you're just going to kind of run it along the wax and then sort of pack that in there just like that. You can see. And that's going to be how we're going to pick up these little jewels just like this. And this has got the little tray here has got a little grid on it. And what you want to do is shake it and then the little jewels turn right side up, which is very nice. And then for our little card here, it's got a sheet of plastic on it. And then all the areas, if you can see, that you're going to put jewels on have corresponding letters. So it's just like paint by numbers. It's just like paint by numbers, except you're painting with these sweet little diamond jewels, okay? And they're very tacky. Here's a tip. Do not peel more than you need to, okay? So peel a little bit, just hold it like this, work on your area, and then put it down, okay? Ooh, there we go. And that way, if the beads spill all over your tray or the cat jumps on it, then the rest of your card and your adhesive is going to be protected. Here's another little tip. Try to keep your tray a little bit away from this. When I was working on one at home, I had it really close and then I had this peeled really far back and I hit the tray accidentally and all the beads landed on the sticky part. And then I was like, oh no. It just took about a few minutes to just move them all off and the card wasn't damaged, but it was not something I wanted to do. So learn from my mistake on that. So we have letter A here opened, and we have letter A right here. Those are the little berries. So what we're going to do is take our little applicator and you just touch it, and then you can just place that, oops, got it on its edge. You just place that like that. It's a little off. You can just take the end of it and move it on there. So cute. Let's try that again. Your little applicator, and you're going to put that right on that letter. And then once you get the hang of it, move a little faster. So cute. When you're done with that particular number, or rather letter, then you're just going to kind of burnish that and make sure they're stuck really well. All right, and now we're going to move on to another color. Let's see, I think I'm going to go out of the alphabet here. Why don't we do, out of order, we're going to do K. Because K is right along the little chest, there we go, of this little bird. All right, so we shake. And this card is I would say was a good beginner card because it doesn't have as much embellishment on it as, say, there we go, one of these, which is just covered. All right, so this one, this letters, Christmas letters, is a really nice one to start with until you kind of get up to speed. All right, so we're going to push this one. This is K. We're going to put that right there. And I want to show you how quick it goes. Now, the ones that are just covered in jewels, they took me anywhere from 90 minutes to 2.5 hours each to do. And that might seem like a long time, but you have to think of this as an activity. And it would be like the equivalent of doing a paint by numbers. And so you don't want to just finish your little activity immediately. This is something that's really nice to do if you're listening to music or a podcast or a book on tape, and it goes really fast and really nicely. Okay, I wanted to show you another little thing. On these cards, there's not a lot of room for greetings on here, and it's a very slick material here, so stickers work great, okay? So Dazzle stickers work particularly great. And we've got this one, it's tiny Christmas words and phrases Dazzle stickers, okay? And it comes with the Christmas collection, so it has this script ones, which some of these will work, like the Noel and things, but all of these will work. And I wanted to show you how I place these. So here's this one with the black vinyl, and I like to use an X-Acto knife with these little words. And it is really nice to just go ahead and take your little knife, and first thing I do is sort of loosen these up, just like that. Oops, I'm off camera. First thing I do is take my knife and I loosen those up. Okay, and then oops, and just pull that off with my little, ooh, I got an extra little piece on there. There we go. Okay. All right, and then once your card is all done, you can just place that just like that. Using your knife is so nice, and you can even manipulate it a little bit before you kind of smush that down like that. So yes, having a knife or something that has like a pokey tool, something that has that nice sharp edge is really nice for placing these, right? So that's my little tip on using those. All right, you guys, so we have a fantastic money saver on these. I think the whole collection is definitely worth putting in your cart, but if you just want to buy one or two, we have those listed down below the video. We have all the items, including the Dazzle stickers. So as I said, money saver, right-hand side of the screen, individual items down below the video. If you're watching us on YouTube, then look below the video in the description box and you'll see a link that'll take you to this Paper Wishes webisode page. where you'll find the money saver and everything that's individual. And while you're there, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. It would really help people find our channel. And subscribe. We do 4 to 5 of these videos a week, and I'd hate for you to miss a thing. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you next time.